Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install the Uhmegle app on your PC. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Uhmegle on Google. Go to the official website. As you will notice, there isn't a direct download option for the app. To install it, click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then select the Cast and Share option. From there, choose Install Page as App. You can give it a name if you like, then click Install. The app will open automatically, and you can now close your browser and start using Uhmegle. You will also see an Uhmegle icon on your desktop. Just double click it anytime to open the app. If you want to uninstall it, open your Start menu and go to the Control panel. Then click on Uninstall a program, find Uhmegle and select Uninstall. Make sure to tick Delete Data, then Confirm. That's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.